Hey YouTube, how is it going? And welcome to my channel Coding Beetle. So today we will be learning about CSS. So firstly, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It is used to style HTML elements. After you complete this playlist of CSS, I will teach you the advanced level of CSS by which you will be able to make this kind of web pages, loading pages. In this I used CSS and JavaScript. It is very easy, and after you have completely learned about CSS and JavaScript, you will be able to make one of those very easily. So today I will teach you about how to work with CSS in HTML. So let's create a HTML file first. It don't have anything in it. As you know, we have to put the coding in here. So let's begin. And let's insert a paragraph in it. Let's write let's start with CSS. So basically what you have to know is that there are two ways by which you can add CSS to your HTML, by external source or internally. So this is what we called internal CSS. In internal CSS we insert style tags in HTML by simply writing style type text or CSS, and all the CSS coding will go here. So to do that, but before doing that, let's head to the browser and see. Sorry, I think I have forgotten to save the file. Let's save it. Go to the browser, refresh, see. Here it is written. Let's start with CSS in black. Now let's change the color of the text. For that, simply call the paragraph tag, this one, then open curly braces, and within that write color colon and whatever color you want to give. Let's give it green. Close it with semicolon and save, and let's head to the browser. Refresh. See, its color has changed. Wait, let me give another color so that it would be readable. Let's give it red. Save and head to the browser. Refresh. See, the color has changed. In the similar way, you can do many things with CSS. Like instead of this color, we can write background image, font family, and hundreds of CSS elements are there. I will teach you in the future videos, and for that, the thing that you have to do is whatever you want to put the CSS with. For example, here I am using CSS with this paragraph tag, and for that I put it P here. Then within that I am writing what color I have to give. Similarly, let's change its font family to let me say Arial. Save it, head back to the browser, and let's refresh. See, the fonts family has changed. And also many other things you can use, like font weight equals to 200 pixel. Let's save it, head back to the browser, refresh. I think I have done something wrong. Wait a minute. What have I done wrong? Sorry, I think it should be bold. I'm sorry for that. Font weight is for making the text bold or italic. See, here it changed bold, and for that we have, and what I was trying to do was font size, that is 200 pixel will make it larger. Sorry, it became too much large. Let's give it 50. Let's save it, head back to the browser, refresh. Yes, now it's okay. So this is how you use CSS with your HTML. In my next video I will teach you how to use CSS as an external file and link it with your HTML file. Till then, take care, goodbye.